Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off directions wake device on maps on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in settings, we scroll down and then tap on maps. Next, scroll down and in here, tap on spoken directions, then tap on directions wake device, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And it said that while driving or cycling, spoken directions wake the display if the device is locked. And that's it. So make your selection and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.